Oh, scary ghost. Ooh, John, there's a ghost in the house.
Oh.
Ah! Ah!
Scared. Are you a ghost?
It's just Halloween.
Okay. It's just Halloween.
I was scared.
I'm a ghost.
Ah!
Ah!
Are you a ghost?
It's just Halloween.
Oh. It's just Halloween.
Phew, somebody tell Buster.
You look pretty scary in that ghost costume.
Are you a ghost? Phew.
Get over this ghost.
Very scary. Ah!
Want to see how tall I am in the refrigerator?
Oh, yes. Oh, you are so tall, ghost. You are really tall.
I'm thinking about crawling up there to get those candy bags.
Oh, right. Well, you know, you're a ghost. You could fly.
Well, not really. I just pretend.
Oh, bummer.
I'm
Hey, 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 please stop. Go.
going to get that